Hello, my name is Gigi, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create such a knurl, like for example buttons in very few clicks. So let's get rid of this and show you how to create it from scratch. So you have these simple surfaces which you want to apply to those buttons, and the first step, or what you need to have, is a surrounding planar surface as a reference for the feature modifier later. And this can be found in the Dynamo toolbox, curve to surface. You can just select the lower edges of these surfaces here, hit accept, hit build, and you get a planar surface. Now the alias planar tool does something similar, but it trims this area here, and if you untrim, it's not as exact as this tool, so I decided to write my own tool to get exactly what I need. So now we have created this one surface. I'm using a second Dynamo player script, which is also on the general tab, which is called surfaces on revolved surfaces. It takes as input a closed guide curve. So I'm clicking here. You can either choose this circle, but I could also select the edges of the revolved surfaces as input instead. Hit accept. Then you're picking the revolved surfaces where you want to create your surfaces on. And then you can either choose to any size of surface you want to place on these revolved surfaces, or you can just take the reference surface for which purpose we've created this one here. Hit accept. And now it's building 16 columns and 3 rings of these surfaces on the revolved surfaces. So obviously they are vertical, we need them to be horizontal. You never know what the UV orientation is. This is why there's an option here to swap the U and V. And if you then hit update, then we get the right one, and then we want to reduce the distance to the top and bottom of the surfaces. Then we can choose a much higher number of these. We can also have them staggered. If we now hit update, we've created a lot of surfaces on the revolved surfaces which follow the shape. And this we will now be using as input for the new feature modifier tool, which is available since 2024 and saw some nice updates in 2024.1. It's in the object edit tab here, the feature modifier tool. Double click. First it asks you of your base surfaces, which are the green ones. It asks you for a target reference, which is the blue surface we've created. Source reference. And then it asks you for a target reference. And here we pick all of these surfaces, and now I manually remove because I've region picked the revolved surfaces again. And then you see, like with a very few clicks, we've created a lot of these knurl pattern. At some areas you'll see that you have like duplicate entries. These can be removed by removing the multiple output option from the feature modifier. And now, with very few clicks, we've created a nice knurl pattern, which is adjustable. You can take any shapes of these, so it's a very nice and handy tool for a task like this.